Yesterday, Tesla held its investor day where the company revealed its progress and plans. While the market reaction was not favorable, down 5.9%. With a lot to go through, it is common to see sell the news type of reactions to events like this. People tend to get hyped up, and there will be speculators coming in just in case Tesla announces something extraordinary that no one has thought about. There were a lot of people hoping for an unveiling of another vehicle, but it was not the case as it was Investor Day, not a product unveiling. However, we did learn a ton about Tesla's progress and plans. The best thing for the business is to wait as long as possible before unveiling whatever the next vehicle is, just like they did with the Model Y. The unveiling to actual shipping of that vehicle was a very short period of time, and that was very intentional, as obviously the Model Y could take away from sales of the Model 3, just like a next-generation vehicle could take away sales from Model 3 and the Model Y today. Tesla still wants investors to know things are achievable, plans are progressing, and investors shouldn't want Tesla to be talking too much about this stuff until it's ready to go, and maybe that's part of the excitement. Yesterday made it clear that it is still a little bit of a ways out. During that interim period, Tesla still wants investors to know things are achievable and that plans are progressing, and that was a big part of the goal yesterday. Overall, the presentation was impressive, and there are a lot of things that people are just kind of glossing over, and it's going to take time to digest what Tesla talked about. To begin that process, there are 8 key points that I find important about the presentation, with the Master Plan Part 3 being the overarching vision for the presentation. Tesla's view is on how the world can transition to a sustainable energy economy, which is the mission of the company and serves as a guide for the things that Tesla is working on. What I found most impressive about this is that they made it very clear that transitioning to a sustainable energy economy involves making a lot more things more efficient. We've already seen this with electric vehicles, where much less energy is being used because of the efficiency of electric motors and batteries. This applies in other areas of the economy, with Tesla calling out heat pumps as one of those major categories. Tesla estimates that with some efficiency improvements, a sustainable renewable energy economy would consume about half of the energy for the same economic output as our mostly fossil fuel-based economy does today. That's a pretty profound concept that not many people are even aware of, let alone have fully absorbed. That makes the target of achieving a fully sustainable energy economy seem much more attainable. Tesla believes this is very much in reach and walked through some of their estimates on what it would take to make this possible. Improvements in efficiency, like what Tesla is talking about here, carry economic improvements alongside them. Based on the analysis that Tesla has done, the $10 trillion that they estimate would need to be invested could generate over $100 trillion in value over time. Another interesting point was the discussion of Tesla's new structural battery pack. This is a major breakthrough that could potentially revolutionize the way batteries are designed and manufactured. Essentially, the battery cells are integrated into the structure of the car, which creates a more efficient and compact design. This also has the potential to significantly reduce the cost of producing batteries, which could be a game changer for the industry. Tesla also discussed their progress with self-driving technology, and it's clear that they are still far ahead of the competition in this area. They demonstrated impressive improvements in their neural network, which is the software that powers their self-driving system. Elon Musk stated that he is confident that Tesla will achieve Level 5 autonomy, which means the car will be able to drive itself completely without human intervention in the near future. Another interesting topic was Tesla's plans for expanding their charging infrastructure. They plan to continue building out their supercharger network, as well as introducing new charging technologies like their V3 supercharger, which can charge a Model 3 long range up to 75 miles in just 5 minutes. This will make long-distance travel in electric vehicles much more convenient and practical. Overall, Tesla's Battery Day presentation was full of exciting announcements and updates. While the market may have reacted negatively in the short term, it's important to keep in mind the long-term potential of these innovations. Tesla is not just a car company, but a technology company that is focused on revolutionizing the way we live and work. As a Tesla shareholder and enthusiast, I'm excited to see what the future holds for this visionary company.